everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, we are going to be learning how to create a new account on CoinMarketCap. If you want to create a new account or get started with CoinMarketCap, first of all, download and open up the CoinMarketCap application on your device. Once you're inside the CoinMarketCap account, go to the top right corner and tap on the profile picture. From here, you can go ahead and sign into your existing account, or if you don't have an account yet, you can easily sign up. To create a new account, tap on Sign Up at the top left. On the next page, you'll need to enter your email address and create a password for your account. If you want to sign up with email, simply enter your email address and create a password. But if you want to continue signing up easily, then you can also continue signing up with Google, Apple, or with your wallet. In my case, I'm just going to type down an email address. Go ahead and enter a valid email address and then create a password in the password field. Make sure your password contains both letters and numbers and with minimum length of 8 characters. After creating a password and entering an email, click on Create an Account. Now, you'll need to verify your email. You'll receive an email inbox on your provided email. Go ahead and click on Open Email to open up your email inbox. You'll then need to enter a verification code provided. Simply type it down. Click Open the email and you'll be provided with the verification code. Once you have it, type it down. Now, if you want to subscribe to the daily newsletters, click on subscribe. If not, tap on no thanks, and there you have successfully created an account for CoinMarketCap. Now you'll have full access to watch list, portfolio features, alerts, and more. The next thing you want to do is to enable the two-factor authentication to protect your account from unauthorized access. We'll also create a tutorial on enabling two-factor authentication if you want. But for now, this is how you create your account. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.